Most American homes are based on a logistical model that started in the early 19th century, the catalog house. Material suppliers and companies like Sears Roebuck put together an entire pre-cut kit of parts that families could order from a catalog, have delivered via boat and train, and literally assemble on their own property. It was a democratization of architecture that allowed ordinary people to build their lives. As developers and builders took this concept and constructed catalog homes at suburban neighborhood scales, they established the definitive image of housing in America. This model spread all over the world, with other countries developing similar, localized catalogs for their specific regions. But over time, the efficiency of scale replaced the intimacy of the design. We began duplicating rigid, inefficient boxes that actively fight against the natural environment. But as technology continues to evolve, we have to ask ourselves, what should be built next? How can the original spirit of the catalog home be updated with a highly sustainable design, one that actively generates its own energy and food while maintaining an average construction price that most people can actually afford? I'm Tim Ung, and this is the Catalogue Greenhouse Home concept. The fundamental thought behind this greenhouse home was camouflaged innovation. We wanted to maintain a familiar, comforting geometry that would allow it to slide seamlessly into any existing neighborhood. This is important for established communities where people have come to know and love the urban fabric. We shouldn't have to bulldoze the aesthetics of the neighborhoods where we grew up, made memories, and created endless stories just to introduce sustainable technology. This design is fundamentally based on a traditional Cape Cod, but we extended the entrance to feature a front porch. It's an architectural threshold where the family can sit outside and watch neighbors who are out on an evening walk. It actively builds community by creating a safe, passive surveillance space, what urbanists call eyes on the street, where everyone passively keeps an eye out on children playing, packages being delivered, and creates natural, unforced moments where people can simply stop and chat. The porch is a beautiful, old concept that started fading away in northern regions where people prioritized private square footage, enclosed their porches, and retreated into isolated interior spaces. This design brings the porch back as the vital organ of the home. Around the exterior, the heavy walls are wrapped in a natural and sustainably sourced wood rain screen. This warm, tactile material is capped by a dark standing seam metal roof. While the upfront cost is slightly higher, a standing seam metal roof can easily outlast most traditional asphalt shingle roofs by decades, with minimal maintenance protecting the family's long-term financial investment. As we make our way to the back of the home, we can see the massive integrated solar panel array on the south-facing roof. This active system subsidizes a portion of the energy required to run the home, drastically reducing monthly utility costs and lifting the heavy demand off of the fragile energy grid we all share. The traditional back of the Cape Cod home extends deep into the yard, transitioning into an attached soaring greenhouse constructed with polycarbonate, heavy wood, and sleek aluminum framing. The materials we chose for this specific kit of parts are deliberately low cost, but they're engineered to create a beautiful, high productive space where we can grow organic food for the family throughout the entire year. There are a few key engineering ideas behind these specific materials. First, the polycarbonate panels. They offer similar visual and light transmitting properties to traditional tempered glass, but polycarbonate is actually a high impact and shatter resistant material that can easily withstand severe storms and flying debris, including heavy hail. The downside is that some lower grade polycarbonate can tint over time, developing a slight yellow hue, and the surface material can be easily scuffed. But the cost to safety ratio is unmatched. Second, the heavy wood framing acts as the primary structural support for the entire volume of the greenhouse. Instead of a sterile, commercial steel aesthetic, the timber adds a warm and inviting touch to the space, tying it back to the natural siding of the house. Lastly, the aluminum framing is utilized as a connective tissue. It's incredibly lightweight, completely rust-proof, strong, and flexible enough to reliably secure all the polycarbonate panels around the entire envelope. To make this space breathe, we rely on physics. At the lower sides and the peak of the ridge roof, there are automated vents. These are tied to smart sensors that constantly monitor the internal microclimate. They open and shut based on the temperature and humidity inside the greenhouse, pulling in cool, fresh air from the ground and releasing all the hot, stagnant air that naturally rises to the ridge. Before we head inside and experience the space, let's take a look at how this home is physically organized in a floor plan. This Catalogue Greenhouse Home has a 20 2,300 square foot footprint featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, an attached garage, and is anchored by a massive 500 square foot attached agricultural greenhouse. On the first floor, there's the front porch that leads directly into the formal entrance and living room. Tucked quietly behind the attached garage is a fully accessible bedroom and bathroom suite. As we move to the back of the house, the floor plan opens up into a massive kitchen and dining room that shares direct, uninterrupted access to the greenhouse. On the second floor, the staircase lands at a small central lounge area perfect for a reading nook. This floor holds the remaining 2 bedrooms, a shared full bathroom, and a mechanical room that efficiently supplies active air conditioning to all of the spaces in the home, including the greenhouse when passive systems aren't quite enough. To enter this home, there's a step that leads up to the patio and front door. But look closer at the landscape. The driveway and front path are physically sculpted to slope gently up to the patio level. As we step inside the home, the layout reveals itself. There's a clean, modern stair to the right that leads up to the second floor, while the living room sits near the entrance. The living room features a large storage cabinet and wall-mounted TV that are anchored against a custom acoustic wall slat system. This isn't just an aesthetic choice. The wood slats physically break up sound waves and reduce acoustic echo throughout the open concept space, creating a hushed, calming atmosphere. There's a deep, comfy sectional sofa where people can sink in to enjoy a movie, play a board game, or simply relax and connect. As we walk further into the space, we arrive at the heart of the home, the kitchen. It's anchored by a massive center island featuring stunning waterfall quartz countertops and edges and cabinets hidden beneath it. Right around the corner is the dedicated walk-in pantry where we can process and store endless jars of excess produce from the garden. There's an immense amount of storage within the base and wall cabinets. Because it's centrally located within the rear of the home, the workflow is entirely frictionless. It makes it easy for people to harvest fresh organic produce directly from the greenhouse and bring it right back to the cutting board in the kitchen. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area, anchored by a heavy, raw wood table with comfortable seating for 6 people. Suspended above is a beautiful contemporary light fixture hanging over the center of the table that can be dimmed to set the perfect mood for an evening dinner. This dining space is defined by its boundary. When the massive glass door between the dining area and the greenhouse is slid open, fresh oxygen-rich air flows directly into the home. During the bitter, colder seasons, this door can be left wide open during the day. The greenhouse acts as a massive thermal battery, trapping the sun's radiation. That naturally warmed air flows seamlessly into the home, drastically reducing our reliance on the home's mechanical HVAC systems to provide all of the winter heat. As we cross the threshold and enter the greenhouse, you can fully appreciate all the structural elements we saw from the exterior. The heavy wood framing that supports the polycarbonate and aluminum shell adds a natural, warm glow to the sheer volume of the space. The greenhouse has a high-density hydroponic shelving system that can grow plenty of produce all year long. To maximize the 500 square foot footprint, the racks are set on steel tracks. Whenever the homeowner wants to get to a different section, they can simply slide one of the massive shelf systems over, opening a walking path between them exactly like the heavy-duty archive storage systems used in modern hospitals and libraries. Around the perimeter, there are sliding glass doors that can be manually opened for fresh air. But the true genius is the automated side and ridge vents that detect the moment the greenhouse is getting too warm or humid. The smart system decides whether to turn on the home's mechanical HVAC to provide additional heating or cooling, or if it can simply open the vents to create natural, passive airflow. This greenhouse also features an automated blind system that deploys at the push of a button, providing a physical shield of shade to reduce the heat loads from solar heat gain in the summer. There are also large ceiling fans that simulate the wind, creating airflow throughout the canopy to assist with reducing temperatures and keeping any unwanted bugs at bay. When the day is done and it's time for bed, we can head back inside and make our way to the primary bathroom to freshen up and brush our teeth. As we design for a lifetime, we must embrace universal design. The ground floor bathroom is engineered as a fully accessible space. Grab bars are integrated to assist anyone with getting safely into and out of the zero-entry shower or onto the toilet. And this is one of the typical bedrooms. It features a wide turning radius, a large king-size bed, plenty of open space for a wheelchair to navigate around it, a wall-mounted TV, a dresser, and a massive walk-in closet. Each bedroom also features a large casement window that can be cranked open to let in a cross breeze of fresh air as you fall asleep. By looking at the logistical models of our past and combining them with the sustainable engineering of our future, we can build a world of self-reliance. And that is the design of the Catalogue Greenhouse Home. I hope this project challenged your perspective on what our suburban neighborhoods could become. Please consider subscribing for more architecture design ideas like this one, and I'll see you in the next project.